Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Tanzania trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow I'm going to be dropping another one. Today I'm going to be making Tanzania trap beat into details. Now, let's get started. Before you launch your FSZO, put your cursor like this on your FSZO app. You right click on your mouse. Like this. Then click open. But for me, I've already launched my FSZO. So I just have to enter my FSZO app like this, click on add, then click on harmless. And then after that, I'll put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheels to channel 6 like this. And then I'll click here. If I put my plugin on this icon, they will say plugin options. I'll put my cursor on preset, and these are many presets which are sounds that I'm going to choose before I start programming my Tanzanian trap beat. So I'm going to pick this one called key, then I'll pick this one called brightness. That's it. So I'll start to program my Tanzanian trap beat with this one called brightness. I'll put my cursor here on top of my brightness app, right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. I've opened my brightness app, my brightness preset, which is my sound, my piano. So I'll start to program it. I'll first of all program the first 2 bars. Now let's go. Let's start programming. We are in a 1 bar. As you can see, I programmed my first 2 bar of my Tanzania trap beat. I'm going to click on select, which you can say press Ctrl and A. You can press Ctrl A on your keyboard, press Ctrl and B several times. That is many times to reach this bar number 8, and that's okay. The next step, we are going to pick another sound again. So I'll click on add on my screen here, then click on these blue bars. These are our Tanzania trap beats. I'll put my cursor here, left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 7. Put my cursor onto my blue bars, right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. Now I'll start to program my second melody, which is my blue bars. That's it. I'm programming my second melody now. Very simple, just follow my steps inside the bars, each bars. That's how I'm programming, and that's okay. I finished programming my second melody on my Tanzanian trap beat. The next step is let's start programming our hi-hat now. On 3, I'll right click on my mouse, then click on piano roll. From 1, 2, 3, and 4, I'll program it, then copy it. That's I'm going to copy it and extend it to bars number 8. So now let's start it. Let's start. Let's go. We are programming. I'm in my 2 bars now. I'm in number 3 bars. The counting on the screen. Watch the way I'm programming. I'm in number 4 bars. That's it. Now I've finished programming my number 4 bars. I'll click on my select. Put my cursor here, left click and hold it. Drag my mouse to the left, which you can see press Ctrl and A on your keyboard. Then press Ctrl and B. Right to bars number 8. The next step, our snare on number 4. I will right click, then click on piano roll. Now I'll start to program my snare now. That's it. I'll start to program my snare now. These are my snare. That's okay. Now let's go to our kick. Our Tanzania trap beat. We are going straightforward, very fast, straightforward. I'll put my cursor on top of my kick, left click and hold it, drag it to channel 1. And just allow it, right click on my mouse and then click on piano roll to open my piano roll. Now, let's start. Our first kick on number 2 bar, number 3, on number 4, On number 5. On number 6, watch. On number 7, on number 8 bars. Very simple, brief. Watch my YouTube channel, subscribe, and learn how to make your beat very simple. Now it's finished. The next step, 6 and 7. On number 6 and 7. 6 and 7. I'll bring down the 6 a little bit, bring down the 7 a little bit. On number 6, I'll click on my. It's time to mix our beat now. Watch my plugin I'm using so that next time when you want to mix your beat, you use this plugin. On number 6, I'll click on slot 1, click on Fruity Limiter. I'll click on slot 2 and click on Fruity Soft Clipper. I'll click on slot 3 and click on the Fruity Multiband Compressor. I'll click on slot 4 and click on the Fruity Compressor. The next step, number 7, I'll click on slot 1 and click on the Fruity Limiter. On number 2, I'll click on slot 2 and add a Fruity Soft Clipper. That's okay. Number 3, which is our hi-hat, I'll turn up the hi-hat. Then on slot 1, I'll click on slot 1 and add a sound woodenizer. On number 4, which is a snare, I'll turn up my snare and click on slot 1, add a soft clipper. Then I'm going to turn up my kick. Now I'll put my cursor on top of my screen. It says view playlist. I'll just click here where they are written